Welcome to How to Keto. This is Tillamook Country Smoker Zero Sugar Original Beef Jerky. I'm sorry I'm eating with my mouth full, but this is really good. I started back on keto, trying to stay under 20 to 30 carbs today. And I just realized I had this, and I've been eating this, and I'm going to need to order some ASAP. Zero carbs. Protein is 14 grams. Serving size two per container. So it's actually 28 grams protein, which is probably a little high, but for first day and being ravenous as I am right now, definitely gonna be eating this. And my mother got this for me, and I don't know where she got this, but I know it's on Amazon. I'm gonna order some today. Definitely 5 out of 5. Good taste, good spice, good texture. Everything's good about this. So if you're starting off keto, check out the link, and I'll put it in a link to Amazon to order this. And good luck.